I thought you weren't going to pass judgment.
I'm not. Why does everybody keep saying that? Okay, so first I thought she was all stuck up. But then she covered for Michael in front of her mum. Now I think she's pretty cool. But she hates me.
Okay, so your problem is that she was or wasn't stuck up?
Yes. Thank you.
What?
I'm never going to understand girls.
You're not meant to. Just go with the flow.
What kind of stupid name's Rani anyway? And seriously, no one's hair should be that clean.
She is kind of pretty.
Pretty weird, maybe.
Right, forget it.